गोयचे शेतकी मळ घटमूट करून शेतकारांचे उत्पन्न वाडोवपा खातीर प्लास्टीक इंडस्ट्री मजत करपाक शकता। हे खातीर ईपीएमई गोंयांत खासा प्रदर्शन आयोजीत करून शेतकारांक मार्गदर्शन करचे मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान आवाहन केले। ग्लोबल एमएसएमई कन्व्हेन्शन फॉर प्लास्टीक इंडस्ट्रीचे परिशदेन मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो। 2025 मेरेन भारताची प्लास्टीक इंडस्ट्रीज ट्रिलियन डॉलर मेरेन पावतली जाल्यार 2027 मेरेन ह्या क्षेत्रांतल्यान 10 लाख कोटी इतली वर्सुकी उलाढाल जावंक शकता अशें मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा।
Plastic industry is a major industry which provides the packaging and molded items to the pharma and electronic industry. Agriculture is a sector where the plastic can play the major role in improving the productivity yield and in turn the farmer's income. It would be nice the APMA can organize the exhibitions and conferences in Goa, especially on the use of plastic in agriculture, so that the income of the farmers can be increased. In line with our Honorable Prime Minister's focus on Atmanirbhar Bharat, I have started the mission of the Swayambhurna Goa, wherein we are not only focusing the Goa to have the self-sufficient in the agriculture and other daily requirement, but are focusing on making our youth job ready. In that context, I will urge the APMA to their members and to look at the Goa to help our youth to be trained in the skill sets, and that is our industry required.